Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how we can insert SIM cards and SD card in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First of all, go to the left side of your phone and see a hole here. In this hole, you go to insert SIM ejector tool. This is SIM ejector tool. Just insert here and push down into the hole. The SIM tray will be coming out from your phone. Just take it out from your phone and keep your phone aside. Here you are seeing two slots. In the first slot you can put one nano SIM. In the second slot you can put another nano SIM, or you can put one micro SD card. So second slot is hybrid one. Here you can either insert SIM card or SD card. First I will show how to insert two SIM cards. In the first slot, insert a SIM card like this, and in the second slot you can insert either one SIM card or one SD card. First I insert SIM card. Just insert here. Insert here in this position. And hold the SIM tray in this position and bring your phone and insert the tray into your phone. Insert here. Wow, it slipped out. So make sure that you have properly inserted and place it in horizontal direction so that it cannot slip out. Yes. Now I insert here. Yes, it's gone. And check your phone now. Two SIM cards will be detected and signals from two SIM cards will be showing. Yes, they are showing here, and two SIM cards are detected and details are shown here. SIM 1 and SIM 2. Default SIM settings. Dial always ask internet SIM 1. You can also change settings if you want, otherwise cancel it. I just cancel it as of now. And if you want to insert SD card, you go to remove the second SIM, that is SIM in the second slot, and you can place SD card there. First remove it. Again bring SIM ejector tool and insert here, and SIM tray will be coming out. Just pull it out and just take out of the SIM 2 only. You don't need to bring this tray out of your phone. Just take out of SIM tray only, and take out of SIM 2 only, and then you can insert SD card in that position. Here just insert SD card like this and insert. Now what's showing here? Insufficient card storage. This will affect the phone speed. Please clean up your SD card. What is shown here? Just SD card is full. Don't worry it. You can still access the file. To access files in SD card, go to Files folder and click on SD card. And you will see all folders and files here, and you can access your card. So in this way, you can easily insert SIM cards and SD card in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.